Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game not launching, crashing, not loading, black screen, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. First open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable. Then select rebuild database. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network. Then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, first open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage, then select Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then move to storage. Here you will see the console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. So for that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language options in the left sidebar. Then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Then next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. First open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software and click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. Next solution is to reinstall Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 again to check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across to the support team and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.